Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can check production date of your iPhone thanks to the serial number. Okay, so first of all we have to open the settings on our iPhone to check the serial number. We have to scroll down for General, go for About, and the serial number we can find below the model number. It's right here. So the next step, we have to go for our PC or phone and enter for this website, applesn.info. When you are right here, you have to click on the spool and input this number. After that, click on the search and wait a little bit. Right now you have to scroll down and the production date you will find in this place. As you can see, it's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.